Today's day 12 of learning Python every day for a year, and in today's video, we're going to go over nested loops. So a nested loop is a loop inside of a loop. That might sound confusing, but here's an example. Let's say we have two lists called list 1 and list 2, and we want to know the total amount of times an item from list 1 appears in list 2. To start, we need to create a variable to count the occurrences. So in this case, we're just going to call it count and set that equal to 0. Then we need a for loop to iterate list 1, so we could do that by saying for item 1 in list 1, semicolon. Then inside the first for loop, we need to create another loop to iterate list 2, and we do that by saying for item 2 in list 2, semicolon. And now we need an if statement to say if item 1 equals item 2, and then if it does, we increment count by 1. I also included this print statement for item 1 and item 2 to help visualize what's actually going on behind the scenes. And then at the end, we just print the total count. So when we run this code, you can see that the first item in list 1 is compared to the first item in list 2, and then is compared to the second item in list 2, and so on. And at the end, we get our total count, which is 2. Subscribe for more Python.